class. In our class today, we'll be discussing about chemistry. First, let's understand what is chemistry. Chemistry is the science that studies the properties underline, the composition underline, the structure, and the reactions of matter. Properties of matter, composition of matter, structures, and the most importantly, the reactions of matter. So, since matter is so important in chemistry, let's see what is matter. Matter is anything that has mass, underline, and occupy a space. It must have mass. For example, this is matter. It has mass and it's occupying a space. So, if something does not have mass and it does not occupy any space, it is not a matter. No matter how small it is, it must like this one, and this is matter. It has mass and it also occupy what? A space. So we say matter is anything that has mass and it occupy a space. So there are many ways in which matter can exist. We call this the state of matter. So that will lead us to what we call the states of matter. State of matter. There are six states of matter. One is the solid state. Solid states are things you can literally touch like this, markers, the ball, the chairs, everything, all those solid things are called a solid state of matter. Example is table and chair, and so many other things. We have the liquid state, which are things that in liquid form. Example is water. Water is in liquid form. We call it that is liquid state of matter. We also have the gaseous state of matter. For example, the carbon dioxide, oxygen we breathe, hydrogen gas, all these are examples of the solid state of matter. That is, we say matter is anything that has mass and can occupy a space. We also say that this matter exists in three states, which are solid, liquid, and gas. And I give example of solid states as tables, chairs, chalk, duster, and so many other things. Liquid state, we have the water, and we have honey, and so many things. We have gaseous states, which are gases, things are in form of gases, hydrogen gas, carbon dioxide, and so on and so forth. So let's first start with the composition of matter. Matter, as I've said, has three states, which are the solid state, liquid state, and gaseous state. These states of matter can either be in two forms. Either they are in mixtures form, or they are mixtures of they are pure substances. Either they are mixtures or they are what? Pure substances. Now, what are the major things that are property the things that you see with trees? How do you know? They have variable composition. Variable composition. Example of a mixture is air. The air we breathe. Air has different composition. Inside air, there is oxygen, there is carbon dioxide, there are traces elements like noble gases, and so on and so forth. There is nitrogen in the air. So all these are mixture because it consists of variable composition of particles. For example, I said mixture consists of variable composition, and I give example which is air when you breathe. So it's a variable composition. Some the milk has different composition inside it. For pure substances are examples are molecules and elements. For example, is sulfur. Sulfur is a yellow substance majorly used in industries for production of many things we eat and we used. Sulfur, aluminium, all these are constant position. So they all fall under elements. We also have molecules. We have molecules of substances, and in these molecules can further be broken down into compounds. Compounds come together to form molecules. Now, compounds too are a combination of elements. Compounds are combination of elements, and there's all elements are majorly composed of atoms. So in this chain, we have atoms coming together to form elements, elements coming together to form compounds, compounds coming together to form what? Molecules. Some matter exists as molecules, while some exist as ordinary elements. So in our next class, we will see this chain. So what are the atoms? What are atoms?